Imagine a farm where the soil knows when it needs water, drones buzz overhead analyzing crops in real time, and every seed planted is tracked securely from ground to grocery shelf. This isn't science fiction, it's Farming 2.0, where the powerful combination of blockchain and artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the age-old practice of agriculture into a high-tech, sustainable, and transparent system. In this new era, traditional farming meets digital innovation, solving some of the biggest challenges farmers have faced for generations. The story begins in the fields, vast stretches of land that, until recently, relied heavily on human intuition, unpredictable weather, and delayed data. With AI stepping in, farms are now equipped with intelligent systems capable of predicting weather patterns, monitoring crop health, and optimizing harvest times. AI-driven tools like computer vision and machine learning allow farmers to detect pests before they destroy crops, forecast yields with stunning accuracy, and even automate machinery for planting and harvesting with surgical precision. These advancements not only increase productivity but also drastically reduce waste and labor costs. But AI alone cannot solve everything. This is where blockchain enters the picture, bringing with it a layer of security, transparency, and trust. Imagine a digital ledger that records every event on the farm, from the use of fertilizers to the exact temperature at which crops were stored during transport. Every piece of data is time-stamped, immutable, and accessible to everyone in the supply chain. This means consumers can scan a QR code and know exactly where their produce came from, how it was grown, and if it met organic or fair trade standards. It also gives farmers access to trusted data that can help them get fair prices and prevent fraud. The synergy between blockchain and AI is what makes Farming 2.0 truly revolutionary. AI generates huge amounts of valuable data, from satellite images and IoT sensors to weather stations and machinery performance. Blockchain ensures that this data is securely stored, verifiable, and can be shared without risk of tampering. This opens up new possibilities, like AI algorithms learning from blockchain-verified datasets to create even smarter farming solutions. For example, a decentralized AI model could analyze regional crop disease outbreaks recorded on a blockchain and recommend immediate, location-specific countermeasures to farmers in the area. Smart contracts, one of blockchain's standout features, add another layer of efficiency to the system. These self-executing contracts run when predetermined conditions are met, without the need for intermediaries. Imagine a farmer agreeing to sell a certain quantity of wheat to a buyer at a set price, with the payment automatically released once the grain is harvested and verified via IoT sensors. This eliminates delays, reduces costs, and minimizes the risk of disputes. For farmers in remote areas with limited access to financial services, blockchain-based smart contracts can unlock new markets and improve financial inclusion. One of the most compelling aspects of Farming 2.0 is its potential to combat global food insecurity and environmental degradation. AI systems can optimize water usage by predicting exactly how much each plant needs, reducing over-irrigation and conserving precious resources. Blockchain can track and verify sustainable farming practices, ensuring compliance with environmental regulations and building consumer trust in eco-friendly products. In developing countries, where agriculture employs a large portion of the population, these technologies can empower small-scale farmers with tools that were previously out of reach, tools that improve crop quality, increase market access, and drive economic growth. As technology continues to evolve, so does the integration of blockchain and AI in agriculture. We're seeing the emergence of digital twins, virtual replicas of farms that simulate everything from soil conditions to crop cycles. These digital twins, powered by AI, can test different scenarios and recommend the most efficient farming strategies, while blockchain ensures that every decision and outcome is recorded for future learning. Such innovations help farmers move from reactive to proactive decision-making, giving them greater control over their operations. Despite these promising developments, challenges remain. Data privacy, the cost of implementation, and lack of digital literacy are significant hurdles, especially for smallholders. But progress is being made. Tech startups, governments, and NGOs are collaborating to create user-friendly platforms, provide training, and subsidize infrastructure. These efforts are critical to ensuring that the benefits of Farming 2.0 are distributed equitably and don't widen the gap between large industrial farms and smaller family-run operations. Blockchain and AI also play a critical role in transforming agricultural insurance and credit. Traditionally, farmers in many regions struggle to get coverage or loans because of unpredictable risks and lack of reliable data. With AI assessing risk based on real-time weather and crop data, and blockchain providing an unalterable history of a farm's performance, insurers and lenders can offer tailored products with lower premiums and interest rates. This not only protects farmers against disaster but also incentivizes them to adopt best practices that improve long-term sustainability. In supply chains, too, these technologies are setting new standards. From farm to fork, blockchain ensures traceability, while AI forecasts demand and prevents overproduction. Together, they reduce spoilage, lower carbon emissions, and create more resilient food networks. When a recall happens, say due to contamination, blockchain allows suppliers to trace the source instantly, isolating affected products and protecting consumers without disrupting the entire market. The future of Farming 2.0 is dynamic and collaborative. It's not just about machines replacing humans, but about empowering people with better tools, data, and insights. Farmers become data scientists, blockchain becomes the new notary, and AI becomes the ultimate farmhand, always learning, always optimizing. As these technologies continue to mature, we may soon witness a global agricultural renaissance that not only feeds the planet more efficiently but also restores balance to ecosystems and uplifts rural communities. The fusion of blockchain and AI is planting the seeds for a smarter, fairer, and more sustainable food system. It's a future where trust is built into every bite, where efficiency and ethics go hand in hand, and where innovation doesn't just grow food, it grows hope.